In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your poll results on Instagram. So if you've posted a poll and you want to now share the results with your audience, then here's how you do it. So first, head over to your Instagram account. Once you're in Instagram, you need to first go to your profile icon. So click on your profile in the bottom right hand corner. That will take you to your profile. Then click on your story and here you'll see your poll. So I asked if people wanted to view the behind the scenes of growing a YouTube channel. What you need to do to get the results is swipe up, and you've got two options here. If you click share results, it will allow you to share them. We can see now the majority said yes, but it's going to pull up your recent story. So if you only want to share the actual results, you've got two options. You can screenshot this and crop out the results, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to screenshot this, and then using the built-in editor, we can then crop out all of the dead space that we don't need. And I'm just going to keep these results here. Now we can use these and embed these on our story. So if we click done and then save to photos, now we've got this image. Now we can go ahead and create a new story. So I've actually got an image that I'm going to use, and that is this image here of Bangkok. Now what we're going to do, we're going to click on the sticker icon, which is next to the text tool. Then we can click on photo, and because we've screenshotted these results, we can click on it here, and here you can show the results. Obviously, go ahead and write out whatever you want on the story as well. Then click on your stories and that will be posted. So that's how I'm going to do it, and that's how I'm going to recommend you do it as well.